Hey everyone! I'm Maria and this is Alaska. He's my little fur baby. And welcome back to Dope Yoga. For those of you who don't know me, welcome to Dope Yoga because I rebranded it recently and I just wanted to address that to everyone because I've been kind of out of the loop from YouTube for I think 2 years now. It's been 2 years since I posted anything. The last I think I posted something was in 2018, so I've rebranded Pra Network because recently this channel used to be Pra Network and now it's Dope Yoga because I've really wanted to go more into just yoga in general rather than yoga being targeted only to really busy people. And I thought that, you know, with everything changing, it would be Dope Yoga kind of sounded a bit more appropriate to myself and to the image of this brand and so on. So, welcome. My name is Maria. I am an American yogi who has been living in Paris, France now for the past 6 years now. It's crazy. Yeah, I started yoga a while ago. I used to be a dancer. I started yoga thanks to dancing. He wants to... Okay, got you. You're free to go. I started dancing when I was 2 and then I stopped, and you can find that in my videos. I go into that a little bit more. And I've been doing yoga for a very long time now, I think for maybe 9 years. I started this channel I think in 2016, if I may say so, and it was really kind of a place for people to practice yoga and to feel connected and to really just kind of be aligned with their bodies, and I do want to continue that, and I've had the moment now to continue that, so it's really exciting. A lot has changed, so I will kind of share with you right now what has changed. Since Pra Network, for those of you following me, you knew that I was paxed, you knew that I just moved to France, I was getting my MBA. That's all changed, so I am no longer paxed. I'm living it up in Paris. No man, that's great. But anyway, so no more paxed. I have finished my MBA, so I'm working at L'Oreal now, Paris, full time, and I live in the beautiful area of Montmartre in Paris. So for those of you who know, it's the Sacré-Cœur. It's very, very beautiful and it's a great area and I absolutely love it so much. And I'm applying to be French, so that's really exciting. So I've decided to start reposting and doing more yoga videos for you just because I love the community aspect of it. I loved, you know, doing that for you guys. It's really just such a pleasure to post videos and to help people grow in their yoga journey. And on this platform, you'll find lots of meditation videos, lots of blogs, lots of things about being vegan, which I'm a flexitarian now, so that's also changed. Lots of things. So rebranding this channel has been really important to me because it's kind of like a reflection of who I've become, who I've grown into. And yes, it's more so yoga classes now with a bit more of blogging in Paris and so on and so forth. I also do teach yoga in Paris now. I teach every Saturday. I teach vinyasa yoga. The link up for registration if you're ever in Paris is up above, so I'll let you check that out if ever you want to join me on the mat. But yeah, I just wanted to say hey to everyone, introduce myself again for those of you who don't know me, introduce Alaska, my fur baby, who is right here, who will be joining us on the mat from time to time. And just I wanted to spread love and positivity to everyone. All of my subscribers who have been here from the beginning, you guys are awesome. I'm so excited to reconnect with you again, and welcome to Dope Yoga. Let's float out together. Let's do some cool yoga moves, and I'm really excited to see you soon. You should see several recommended videos here somewhere. So you should see one here about flow and restore, one here from my old Pra Network series, which is really, really cool as well for getting a little bit more flexible. Yeah, check it out. They're all here. Mwah.